right, you guys, so I am back with another video. Today I actually did this look using the new Juvia's Place bronzer. Today I'm doing a quick beat and I am giving you a review. As you can see, I am using Rare Beauty, Fenty Beauty as my concealer. I'm just really showcasing this bronzer from Juvia's Place. So this is just a quick little video on how I achieved this look. So I'm just using the bronzer to contour or actually add some, bronzing to my skin. And that's using both of the shades. This one is the tan bronzer. I'm also using it as an eyeshadow. As you know, any powder product you could use as eyeshadow. So I did a very simple glam with a pop of lip. Then I'm lining my eyes with the Inglot number 77 gel liner. I'm using Hot and Naughty 2 Black mascara from MAC Cosmetics. And then, of course, you already know, using my lashes, SLR Beauty and Flirty. I'm using the Beet Cosmetics blush and their highlighter. I definitely love this highlighter. And then I'm using Beet lip liner. And then Fenty Gloss Bomb Cream will be my lip color. I did get the shade in tan and I also got the shade in medium. I will say I did use this on my eyes. As you can see, I used both of them. Used it underneath my lash line and I used it on my lid. I definitely do like the bronzers. It gives a nice little touch to your makeup. So if I just add a little bit more. I like that it comes with two different shades. That way you could kind of mix the two. One is lighter, the other one's darker. So I do like the packaging where it comes with two different shades. I did try this out. I did also buy the bronze eyeshadow palette, but I haven't used it yet, so I don't quite have a review on that. But if you are looking for a new bronzer, now does this compare to the Fenty? I don't know yet. I gotta wear it. I gotta, feel it out, see if I really like it compared to the Fenty. But at a price point, I believe these run for, I think, $18, which is a pretty good deal because you get two different shades of bronzers versus the Coco Naughty, which runs for $24. This is a little bit, let's see, it's around the same shade as the darker one actually. So if you look at both of them, I have Coco Naughty and then I have this one from Juvia's Place. They're pretty similar in shade range. So yeah, I think it's just because my skin is a little bit matte right now, so I'm waiting for it to kind of like hydrate and kind of oxidize. But that is my review on the new bronzers. Definitely pick it up, try it out for yourself. I do like it. I like the fact that it comes with two different shades and I can use it as an eyeshadow. So everyday eyeshadow, a brown shade that you could use. So let me know your thoughts. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this new bronzer and if you tried it yourself. Bye guys.